In this video, I will be showing you how to do car poster style in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by browsing through the various template categories on the Canva homepage. I'm heading over to the poster section to see what's available, but for this project, I want full creative control. So I'll click on Create Blank to start with a fresh page. The first thing I need is my main subject. I'll open the Elements tab and search for a car. There are plenty of options, but I'm going with this red sports car. Once it's on the canvas, I'll use the background remover to isolate the car. Then I'll scale it up and position it right in the center of the frame. To create a modern, professional look, I'm going to add some slanted geometric elements. I'll pull in a square shape, change the color to white, and rotate it significantly. I'll stretch this across the background to create a sharp diagonal line that adds movement to the composition. Now, I'll search for a shadow in the Elements library. Adding a soft gradient shadow beneath the car helps ground it and makes the image look more realistic. I'll also add a darker gray slanted shape behind the white one to create a tiered, high-contrast background. Next, let's add some bold typography. I'll create a text box and type out rental car. To keep the design edgy, I'll rotate the text 90 degrees and choose a thick, impactful font. I'll move this behind the car, making sure it aligns with the diagonal theme we've established. For the call to action, I'll add a Book Now button at the bottom. I'll search for a black rectangular strip to place the text on, ensuring it stands out. I also want to include some contact information, so I'll search for Call Us and Message Us icons. I'll choose clean, minimalist icons and change their colors to match the red and black theme. I'll take some time to adjust the layering and spacing of these elements, making sure the Contact Us pill and the phone icons are neatly organized. I'm also going to add a few more subtle gradient shadows around the edges to give the entire poster a more polished, three-dimensional feel. Finally, I'll do one last check of all the alignments, tweaking the slanted shapes and text positions until the balance feels just right. And there you have it, a professional car rental poster created entirely in Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.